Right. Yes. Now, this is four-line notebook. How many students? Right? Shall I repeat? A6, B6, C5, D6, E6, F4, G6, H6, I2, J3, K7, L3, M9, N6, O6, P6, Q6, R5, S6, T4, U6, V6, W10, S6, X6, Y6, Z6. Shall I repeat? No need.
Repeat, sir, once more.
Repeat. A6, B6, C5, D6, E6, F4, G6, H6, I2, J3, K7, L3, M9, N6, O6, P6, Q6, R5, S6, T4, U6, V6, W10, X6, Y6, Z6. Okay. Can anyone tell me which are the upper letters, which are the bottom letters? Chapandra.
F upper letter,
E,
sir. F, D, H,
H,
B,
Ah,
T,
T,
T.
Z,
Ah,
Z.
L.
no, no. Take
Z,
upper
sir.
letters are. చెప్తాను వినండి. Upper letters are upper. How you will note down? I don't know. B is upper letter. D is upper letter. F is upper letter. H is upper letter. IJ is also upper letter, but only full stop, only point. Getting my point? Then K is upper letter. L is upper letter. Then T is upper letter. These all are upper letter. Bottom, lower letters. Lower letters.
G. G. P.
G,
G,
P, Q, Y,
G, J, P, Q, Y.
Y.
These are lower letters. Listen. Shall
So
I
we
write
have to
A?
mark I and
First,
J as upper.
upper. చూపిస్తాను. I will draw. Anyway, I am doing na. చెప్పండి. A is how much, amma? A is how much? 6.
6.
6 means 12. Okay. జాగ్రత్తమ్మ. Upper layer ante what is the combination? This combination is 4, 5, 5. How much it is?
14.
Altogether how much?
14.
14. Upper letter, this unit, 4 units, 5 units, 5 units. Jagrata. Now, how to draw? This line, this line, this line, this line, this line. You have to draw this with only bottom. It should not go up. This is A. What's in the idea? It is not going up. That's why it is center. Only 10 units you have to represent. What about B? B is how much? B
6.
6, 12. First you have to take border lines. What is this B, amma? B is very simple. Right. This is BM. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Getting my point? Huh? What
Yes,
about
sir.
D? D?
Same like this, but reverse.
Same
Opposite
reverse.
matter.
ఈ లైన్ ఇక్కడ రావాలి ఇది రిమైనింగ్ అంత అయిపో ఓకే విచ్ వర్డ్ యు వాంట్ విచ్ వర్డ్ యు వాంట్ ఐ విల్ షో ఐ
The Q.
ఐదు ఐ ఇక 2 యూనిట్స్ కొంచెం ఈ రీతి పెట్టి ఈ రీతి పెట్టుకోవాలి నెక్స్ట్
Q.
క్యూ what is the problem with q what is the problem q is problem how much it is 6 if everything I will do what you people will do tell me here jagratam 4 unit down ravali 4 unit means how much 4 unit means how much
8 mm. 8 mm.
8 mm.
down ravalamma that is important you have to come down idu q amma its reverse is
D.
P.
p is also reverse that's why I'm telling one by one don't get panic but idu ikkad line kottaddu only idu 4 units kinda తీసుకొని వచ్చి పెట్టేసాలి next g is how much 6 ఇది కావాలంటే ఈ రీతి వచ్చిందా
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
జాగ్రత్త these things are very very clear you have to write all A to Z like this any word you want I will do any word can you do it all got the idea I shown upper letters I shown bottom letters I shown center letters anyone now only you tell once I will change the paper I won't do anything Z Z very simple amma akkad nu Z adigaru ikkad nu Z how much ra 6 ikkad nunchi 6 there are so many ways to write Z amma small letters చూసారా ఎప్పుడురా చూసారా yes sir no
Yes, sir.
ఎప్పుడు చూసారా it should be within 10 anything else
Sir, J, sir.
Jia
F. Sir.
J.
J, sir, J.
yeah okay how much space I have I will do it amma for me it is not problem I have to extend because I fixed my camera I am just doing you see that I am unable to move my hand that will become obstacle for me okay J 3 units simple 3 means 6 first vertical line పట్టుకోవాలమ్మ right వచ్చిందా? Yes sir, no?
Yes, sir.
Then anything else? Can you do it? Okay, do Amma. So I want, what are the things I want in sheet number 1? Can you observe? See, sheet number 1, its title is Drawing Concepts. First thing I want, different types of lines. Different types of lines. Agree? That is the first title. Second, dimensioning practice or dimensioning practice. That is second. Third, I want BIS convention. And fourth, I want lettering practice. How to accommodate? Now I will tell. After this, first you have to write vertical letter A to Z, then numbering 0 to 9, one slant letter, right? So this is total 26 plus 10. 26 plus 10 plus 1, 37 words I want, and I want all small letters. See, only you take this outer line. Don't draw this vertical, only vertical horizontal lines I want for A. I want to tell that this is the methodology. After that, only border lines you have to take. After doing this, you have to write 14 units. 28, 10, 20, 28. Then 6. 6 means 12. Enough. Only 3. What title you have to write? Note down. Engineering drawing is a, note down. Engineering drawing is a universal universal language of engineers. I want this statement at last. Engineering drawing is a universal language of engineers. Note it down. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ఇది ఎంత రాయాలి చూడండి, ఇప్పుడు చూపిస్తాను. Engineering, I will write only one, some letters. E. E. N. E. G. Neatness will carry enough marks on my here. In G, nearing. Can you do it? It should be at last. Now question is that how to keep all those things in drawing sheet. Listen very carefully. This is important. Why I asked these many topics in one drawing sheet? Can anyone tell me? Why I insisted? I'm not. It is not a matter of 5 rupees. Amma. Drawing sheet is cost of 5 rupees. You can use n number of drawing sheet. That is not a matter for me. But something is a matter for me. What is the matter for me? Can anyone tell me?
Basics are in one sheet.
No, one. That is a one concept. Very good. Apart from that, that is the one concept. I told money is not a matter. Apart from that, in your annual exam, they will give only one drawing sheet. There is no provision of supplement drawing sheet. You are getting my point? Are getting my point?
Yes,
What is
sir.
the
Yes,
no
sir.
provision for us?
Extra
Only
drawing
one
sheets.
drawing sheet you have to finish complete questions. Then you need that type of mental preparation. How to use optimistically the space. Listen, I will draw now drawing sheet. This is drawing sheet. Right. ఉందో ఇదో కనపడుతుందా drawing sheet? This is your border line. Here is it is your title. Drawing sheet is having front face and back. చూసారా drawing sheet ఎప్పుడురా? Front
Yes,
is
sir.
having title box, back nothing. Back is nothing. Okay. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయాలమ్మా? ఇది టైటిల్ బాక్స్ దగ్గర హియర్ డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ లైన్ ఇక్కడే వన్ బాక్స్ చేసి టేక్ సమ్ అప్రోప్రియేట్ లెంత్. హౌ మచ్ స్పేస్ యూ రిక్వైర్, డోంట్ టేక్ టూ మచ్. Write all A, B, C, D up to how much I told. Finish. So you got different types of light at above this. It may extend or it may be within that. It is left to you how much space you are keeping, how much space you require. You keep this greater space. This is smaller. ABCD రాయాలి, ఎక్కువ space కావాలా? ఏం అవసరం? That you have to decide. And at this extreme end, you have to use BIS convention. What you have to use? Again box. Again 3 types. Here material metals, convention materials. Again you have to make rectangular boxes. Rectangular boxes like this. It will take more space. Up to here it will come. Now you see how many topics I finished. If you want, I will show. Different types of lines I finished. I finished BI. I not touched dimensioning of practice. What you have to do? Dimensioning practice you have to write here. Dimensioning practice. You have space between these two boxes. There are 2 figures I drawn. One like this, one with taper. Can you remember? Can you remember?
Yes, sir.
These 2 figures ఇక్కడ రాయాలి. సో ఇక్కడ స్పేస్ తక్కుతుంది, ఇది కింద తీసుకుంటారా, ఏం ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. ఇక్కడ ఒకటి ఇక్కడ. దెన్ టేక్ అలైన్డ్ సిస్టమ్, డ్రా 2 figures. Take unidirectional system, draw 2 figures. Finished, amma. So you taken all 3 major topic on only front side of the drawing sheet. Different types of lines over, dimensioning practice over, PSI convention over. Anything doubt? Any doubts to any student? Any doubts? Now only you ask.
Sir, BIS
The
convention.
BIS convention.
What is that? It is a box. First, that is what type of
No,
material?
sir, you didn't teach that for us.
PIS convention చెప్పలేదమ్మా నీకు? I
No,
not
sir.
thought. Okay, I will teach. Now only I will teach. Thank you. I forgot. What is happening, Amma? I am dealing 3 or 4 sections. I don't know. That's why I asked up to what topic I taught you. Can you remember when I started my session? What
Yes,
first
sir.
Still
question I asked?
alignment convention.
చెప్పావమ్మా, but I always, okay, I will tell BIS convention now. No problem. Nothing wrong. But this is the way you have to write. Anything wrong here? Got it?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, back side of the drawing sheet. See. Now, Jagratam, I want to finish this first. This is back side. Nothing, Amma, no line, no nothing. If you want, same one border line. Same problem there. This is the edge normally. Right. Okay. If you want, you can construct, otherwise no need. Here, lettering practice you have to do. How to do? This much of big sheet. Right. This is 14 units. Start A, B, C up to Z. So up to QA వచ్చింది. Okay, Q. Again, give some 5 mm space. Again, draw thin lines. Again, P, Q, R, S, T up to Z. Then write 0 to 9. Nothing wrong. Finish. How much, Amma? 28 mm, 20 mm, 30, 30, 60 mm దగ్గర you finished. Then after that, take again 4-line segment, this ABCD. Again, how much it will take? 30 mm. The sheet is very big. Here my space is lost. Here, right, A, B, C, D, E, so like that, up to there. After this, you have enough space, only used 90 mm. Sheet size, how much I told? 841 into 1189. Length is 1189, but height is 840 mm. I used only around 40, 120. Still enough space. There you have to write. Engineering drawing is a universal language, making the lines like this, 3 lines. Engineering. Complete statement, you have to write what? Finish. Everything is finished in 2 sheets. We used optimistically. Backside, I want only lettering practice. But front side, I want different types of life, BIS convention, and this. Any doubts? Got it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Right. Okay. Okay. That topic is left now. Okay, nice.
Sir, small letters
Now-
26, capital letters 26, 1 inclined and 0 to 9.
0 to 9. And after that, this statement. Engineering drawing
Okay,
is
sir.
a universal language of engineers. So complete. Right. At the bottom, there. Next. What is BIS convention? Okay. Very good. So here only I will use. Chapanama. What is BIS convention? What I felt today, I want to start sheet number 2. I felt that section 7 students are ahead of others. This is my way of thinking. I also forgotten. I won't remember. That is, and one more humble request. Because when you are physically there, I will take one of the student notebook. I will check up to what level, what problem I taught. Then I will continue. But now we all are virtual. I cannot remember. I am doing on piece of paper, you know. After that, I will throw it somewhere. I won't remember. So I need your cooperation. Chapali, sir, this is the topic you finished. Right. What do you mean by convention, Amma? What do you mean by convention? Can you heard this word?
Yes.
Where you heard? Why you heard?
Convention halls.
Yes. Convention, huh? Chappu, loudly chappu.
Convention halls, sir.
Why it is called convention? Yes. Why it is called convention hall? Any specific purpose? Acha, what we are doing in convention hall, Amma? What you will do in convention hall? Aleva convention hall.
Arrange any functions.
Arrange any function. Why we want to arrange function, Amma?
Celebrations.
Celebration. Why you want to celebrate with others? Why not you want to celebrate yourself? No, don't worry. Every question I have counter question immediately. You say
Share
anything,
our
I will have
happiness.
counter question. Oh, share your happiness. To whom? To whom?
Friends.
Relatives.
Relatives, friends. Why you want to share, Amma? It is your
Self-satisfaction,
happiness.
sir.
Oh, self-satisfaction. Very good. Means what exactly happened? You enjoyed. You just had a fantastic time with all those people. What is the ultimate achievement, Amma? You spent a lot of money. You spent a lot of money. If you ask in me that why you spent 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs rupees to share your good wish or your happiness, then what you achieved?
Memories.
Yes, Amma? Memories. Very good answer. Yes. What you feel, you express. Because these all are everyone individual thoughts, Amma. I may have my way of thinking. You may have your way of thinking. I always believe this much. If I teach means I learn from my student, because they will give new ideas, new thought. So what I did, I have one bad habit. I will just accommodate all of them and I will use in right path. I won't forget anything. So that's why this is the undue advantage. I want to learn from you people. That what is the new thing you are doing? So what we have? Convention, one more meaning is auditorium is also convention hall. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Conference is also conference hall. Function hall is a convention hall. Theater is a convention hall. Class is a convention hall. Convention where group of people will interact each other, sharing and caring. What we are doing? Sharing and caring.
Caring.
చేస్తావా
Caring.
లేదా? Caring చేస్తావా?
Yes, sir.
Can you do it? Yes, sir. If you call me to your home, can you serve me very good food? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, obviously that is the culture, Amma. We are sharing, but simultaneously we are caring about their requirements. We will have. So that is the method. Means convention is a symbolic representation of our thought in a systematic order to share among the group of people. Until you present, your knowledge is waste. Agree with my statement? Until you present your thoughts are waste. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This is the fact, Amma. You express, and what others feel, it is none of my business. You see, so many times I will use Telugu, one or two words. I don't know Telugu. So many times I told that I don't know Telugu, but why I will use? I will make student to feel. They have to be touch with me, not only with respect to that. Means this is the way of teaching the methodology. What is the abbreviation of BIS, Amma? Got it? What is convention? What is convention? Now, what is the definition of convention?
Group. Normal.
What happened? A story చెప్పానా? What is the definition of convention?
Where people gather and take care
Group
and
of.
No, Amma. Symbolic representation of our thought expressed to the group of people in a sharing and caring manner. Agree?
Yes, sir.
All right. What is BIS, Amma? What is BIS? What is the abbreviation of BIS? What is CBI? What is CID?
Central Bureau of Investigation.
Crime
Then you know
Investigation
CBI.
Department.
Okay, then you have to know BIS, na? Some of the few things are known, few things are missing, means it is not fair, na? Yes, think and answer. I will take attendance.
Bureau of Indian
Think.
Standards.
Think, Amma. Pooja, wait for a while. Yes, anyone? What is BIS? Note down. Bureau of Indian Standards. Bureau of. What is the BIS? Within 1 minute. This still time is there. What is BIS?
Bureau
Bureau
of
of Indian Standards.
Of Indian Standards. Okay. Now, what is that we will study? Actually, this pencil made up of
Graphite.
Wood.
graphite and only graphite.
Wood.
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 This is made up.
Plastic.
plastic,
This is made up of.
plastic and a metal.
Plastic and
So what exactly what you learned? What you learned? Please, can you tell me? What you learned from that?
Together they are working.
No. What you learned? Why I shown those many components? Why I shown those many components? For time
Everything
pass,
has
huh?
its own identity.
Oh no, apart from that,
We make a product by using these components.
product by using what you
These
need.
components.
Material you need. Without material, wood is a material. Agree? Yeah? Plastic is a material. Steel is a material. Graphite is a material. Agree? Yeah? Now, this is type. Convention. This is material. Note it down. Again, I created box. Type, convention, material. Now, listen. What is the difference between square and rectangle, Amma?
In rectangle,
What
only
is-
opposite sides are equal. In square, all sides are equal.
Okay. Okay. Construct rectangle. I taken 30 mm, 15. Right. You have to construct rectangles. Jagratam chuskondi. Draw neat cheyali. I am doing 1:1. These two are under one category. Okay. This is called metals. You know about metals? How many times? Metals types?
Two type.
Name it.
Non-metal, metal.
What is the difference between non-metal and metal? Chapra, correct chapra. Clarity. Clarity I want. Ferrous and non-ferrous material. Ferrous and
Non-ferrous.
పండుకోండావా ఎందుకురా ఎక్కువ భోజనం అయిపోయిందా మత listen, this is the symbolic representation. If any material we use, you have to represent in the form of graphics because it is a pictorial representation of thought. Listen carefully. I constructed one rectangle. Keep the mini drafter at an angle of 45 degree. Draw the line which is at an angle of 45 degree, equidistance of 2 to 3 mm, equidistance of 2 to 3 mm. Take 2 or take 3, it is left to you, but all should be equidistant at an angle of 45 degree. How much angle I taken? How much?
45.
45.
45 degree, and all are equidistant of 2 to 3. I taken 3 mm. Okay. This type of material representation is, this is used for, now note down, I am not writing in capital, steel, cast iron, copper, iron, its alloy, aluminium, iron, its alloy, etc. If this is the representation on your drawing sheet, it indicates this material is belongs to any one of them. It may be steel, it may be cast iron, it may be copper and its alloy, or it may be aluminum alloy, etc. Got it? Shall I go for second?
Yes, sir.
Next, again, draw the line at an angle of 45 degree, equidistance of 2 to 3 mm. All should be parallel to each other, and equidistance of 2 to 3 mm. Then you may say, what is the difference between these two, Amma? Same or different?
Same.
Same. Make a difference. Take again 45 degree from opposite side. Draw at a distance of 2 to 3 mm. Now it look like a diamond shape. Now it look like a diamond shape. If this is the symbol, then metals is having two symbols. One 45 degree, another 45 from both corners. Equidistance of 2 to 3 mm. And this material is called lead, zinc, tin, white metal, etc. Lead, zinc, tin, white metal, etc. Finished?
Sir,
Yes.
what is mean by white metal, sir?
Yenama?
White metal, sir.
White metal. Workshop అయిపోయిందా లేదా?
Completed,
Workshop.
sir.
Completed. Tinsmithy, what material you used? Tinsmithy.
Mild steel.
Tinsmithy. Funnel చేశారా? Funnel.
Yes, sir.
Tray.
Galvanized iron sheets, sir.
That is color is white or something, that is white metal. Okay. So again, next segment is glass. Again, same. All boxes should be same. This is glass is only single representation. Glass is having only single representation. Means single means single. These two are common title. That's why I wrote centrally. But this is single, glass. Its application is also glass. There is no variation. How to write? How to represent? See carefully. Small line, big line, big line, small line, small line. What's the idea? Shall I repeat?
Yes, sir.
Like a small line, somewhat big,